In this video, I will show you how to make a basic t-shirt pattern in Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. I'll use pen tool to draw my t-shirt. Instead of starting from the center front seam, I would like to draw my t-shirt from the high point shoulder. My first click would be high point shoulder, low point shoulder, underarm point, and length of the t-shirt. Hit enter to release pen tool. Grab anchor point tool and take this line segment on the armhole slightly in to give it a nice shape for the armhole. Now, instead of drawing it on the other side, I will just reflect it. To do that, I'll select the whole thing that I drew, go to the reflect option and place cursor on this red guideline, press Alt, hit enter. And you can see that this drawing got reflected vertically on the other side. So all I will do is hit copy. Now, one more thing I would like you guys to notice is this time in my stroke panel, I would like to select these rounded corner options instead of the first one. Now, I'll go to the selection tool, select this whole thing again, right click on my mouse, join, right click, join. Grab anchor point tool and take this line segment on the neck and drop it down to give a nice shape for the neckline. To give it a different shape, I can use Shift key. And you can see the neckline has become rounded. If I release Shift, it again becomes slightly V. Now, the next thing I could do is take this hem of the t-shirt and give it a slight curve. To draw my sleeves, again, I'll go to the direct selection tool and select the underarm line. Control C, copy, and Control V, paste. You can see this line got pasted elsewhere on the page, which I don't want. So I will hit delete, and this time, instead of doing Control V, I'll do Control V to paste it in back. Right click on my mouse and join. Now, I'll go to my add anchor point tool and add 2 anchor points on the line segment that I drew just now. Go to the direct selection tool and grab this anchor point to the sleeves length. And I have my sleeves ready. Now, to draw it on the other side, I'll go select sleeves. This time I will select only sleeves. Reflect, place my cursor on the guideline, hold Alt key and hit enter and copy. Now you can see that I have my front of the t-shirt ready. To do the back, what I will do is go to the selection tool, select front bodice, Control C to copy and Control V to paste in back. And I will leave it selected and then right click on my mouse, isolate selected path. Now grab my anchor point tool and take this neckline slightly up for the back. Also, instead of having the white fill, I will give it a different color. Maybe I will use gray for the back. Double click to release isolation path. Now, the next step would be to go in Object and group it all together. To do the back, what I will do is select the whole thing, press Alt, and now you can see I have 2 cursors together and make a copy of it and keep one copy aside. To select only the front, I'll go to the group selection option and select the front of the t-shirt and hit delete. Select this whole thing and give it a white fill. Now you can see I have both my front and back view ready.